How to add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we're supposed to add a subscribe button to our YouTube videos in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, there's two ways to take on this. Now, one subscribe button is, the preset edited button that you are going to be adding as a watermark through your editor, right? Now, one is the subscribe button that you're going to add, comes in the bottom of the videos. So what you can do for that is you can actually go onto the end screens. And once you're on end screens, you can choose what people will see. So I generally like this outlook. So I'm going to go with video best for viewer. If I have any playlist, I'm going to have them add that. And this is going to be the subscribe button where they can actually go to my channel and subscribe. So once this is done, you're simply going to go ahead. There we go. And once we do that, we're going to click on save. And once everything is saved, good to go, let's go ahead and watch the video. So that should generally add the subscribe button. So there's also this subscribe button that you're generally going to get. You can just subscribe through this. You have the subscribe buttons down here. Now let's go ahead and check at the end of the video. There you go. So you have this and then you have this and you can easily subscribe. But obviously if you want to add the preset subscribe button, you can simply go ahead and add that through your editorial sequences using any type of DAW or editor that you use. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.